Chargers, who won in 4 sets against the Cherry Eagle Crossovers. Coach, congratulations on this victory, a nice comeback for the team before heading into the holiday break. How do you feel about Akari's performance tonight?
I'm just appreciate the player because I think the player also is really moral or something getting down because we lose in 9 set. It's a normal reaction for the player and the coaches. But at least I saw they really eager to win this game. That's good things. We can turn the training or more on the future. It's good.
Thank you, Coach. And for Gretchen, you had 22 points in this game. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance niya, especially after a slow start?
Yun nga, parang kasi yung mindset ko, yun nga, yung parang alam ko yung role ko na kailangan ko lang mag-receive and magandang depensa. And sa points naman, parang hindi ko na siya iniisip. So every time na may dadating na bola, so ginagawan ko ng paraan. Pero yung role ko talaga sa team is magandang first ball and depensa sa likod.
Thank you, guys. And for Fifi, you played a good game for Akari in this match against Cherry. What can you say about how you performed tonight and the team's performance overall?
Just happy with the team's performance today because as I mentioned nga kanina, we came from a 3-game losing streak. So this is parang a good test for the team kasi na-overcome namin yung fear of succumbing to the, alam mo yun, like losing lang. So I'm proud of the team as a whole kasi they overcame their fear of losing again despite na natalo kami ng first set na brave namin yung 3 more sets. So, yun lang, overall just very happy kasi the team showed their maturity and their willingness and eagerness to win tonight.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Coach,
Yes, po.
during the 3-game losing streak where you didn't win a set, was there frustration for you personally after a strong start to the conference, or was it really more on getting the team lang back on track and not let emotions get the better?
Actually, the Cream Line of Petrobras, in the Ipo Farm Fresh, they're a strong team. But all the set, like on the Cream Line, we have a 26-24, we lost. And then also, Farm Fresh, we lead in 90-11. And Petrobras also, we were able to getting our last point in the first set and second set. So we just missing our finisher in the team. And like first set, second set, finish. And then this kind of doesn't have any confidence. That's why this is the only challenge. Because also what happened to in this first match also, we leading a lot. But on the crucial point, we starting error. Like I'm almost going to trauma. Again, what happened in this team? But at least we can win this game. I think we can more look forward.
Forget coming off an injury, would you say na you're back to 100% or medyo getting there pa rin at this point?
Actually, pinilit ko siyang ilaro talaga kasi alam ko naman sa sarili ko na papunta na ako sa 100%. And then, yun nga, parang ayaw ko din pabayaan yung team na kumbaga, kahit naman meron mag-step up, parang gusto ko pa rin na ilaban yung kung anong dapat ilaban.
And to Fifi, 16 points tonight.
Period.
So, did you say that in this performance you were really eager to not just, I guess, prove something, but also show na you're more than just your previous results? Was there an extra sense of eagerness to put out a performance like that for you today?
Yes, kasi I mean always naman in every game. Pero for me, especially this game, it's important for me kasi magbe-break kami. So I want the team to parang go on a break knowing na we finished good. Pati kasi this game will set the momentum for the next set of games. So hindi kami pwedeng matalo kasi I need to contribute to the team and also make them realize na like we're capable of winning. Kailangan lang namin talagang makuha yun, ma-overcome yung, hindi namin ma-overcome these past few games, and I'm just happy na na-overcome namin siya today. So yes, it sets the tone for the rest of the conference, and I mean, this is a long conference, so it's not, bad to lose to start. It's actually good, at least like, napagdaan na namin. And we uncovered these problems early on, so we can peak at the right time. So yes, this win is very important for me.
Coach, how would you assess your first 6 games in the tournament?
I hope someone can get like a consistent point, right? Or so strong team like Brooke, Davidson, or Cici Rondina. But I think in this team, like I mentioned to the team, like anyone can be a scorer. Like today's a great and last game Ivy on the first game in Faith and then 80. But sometimes if it's like 3 player cannot work, that's the timing we're losing. That's my assessment. That's why like if somebody like cannot going to like getting a point, I think someone need to like push up to that person. And also we need to able to use the middle blocker. That's what we showing today. If it's like showing the middle blocker, I think outside hitter in opposite more able to can hit 1.5 or 101. So they're easy to get in point. So we need to work as a team. I think that's the most important compared to like more strong team.
Sa players din, ganun, paano nyo lang i-assess yung first 6 games nyo, at least itong tournament na to, at least itong last 6 games nyo to end the year?
Parang yun nga, sabi ni Fifi, mas okay po yung na-experience na namin yung talo sa umpisa. And yun, mahaba din yung conference, di din natin masasabi. But one thing lang is for sure na kung ano man ang mangyayari, yung sinasabi ni Coach Taka na tuloy lang talaga kami sa mga ginagawa namin.
I'm just gonna repeat what I said kanina na it's good na we uncovered these problems early on. Kasi mahirap na siya kapag sa huli pa kami magka-crumble or magkakaroon ng mga problema. So, I mean, good lang kasi nagpo-progress kami. Parang there's no way to go but up dun sa mga games namin previously. Kasi ang hinahangad na talaga namin is mag-improve and mag-gel pa. Kasi nga, like, this is a long conference. So, yun lang. Just proud of the team for getting this good today. Why are you laughing? I'm giving good answers. I'm carrying you guys.
For the players, medyo matagal din yung break. So how will this will help you guys? Like, what are some of the areas of improvement that you can see that will help the team heading into next year?
Mag-focus po kami sa dapat namin, especially yung break namin kasi last training namin is 20 and then balik ulit kasi nga mahirap din yung sobrang haba yung vacation. So, need namin maging healthy and yung iba therapy, yung iba naman more on sa skills, mag-focus. So, ayun.
Oh, me, same lang naman Ate Greta. I mean, I'll do my part na maging disciplined pa rin, you know, working out and watching what I eat and also watching the hours I sleep. Sip kayo po. Pero yes, I mean, ano lang, like, as I said kanina, this is a good parang end to this series of games kasi mag-break kami ng masaya. So, yun, very fulfilling. Diba?
Mag-break.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Phoebe. Thank